So welcome back again. The last lecture was dedicated to how to deal with different type of datas. We keep in several kind of file or in our language. So in that we have seen that how we can create a vector and then matrix, and then we can create a data frame. And then lastly, we have seen how we can create a list. Okay. And in fact, list is of more general use, that, because it may contains different type of data. It may be correct. It may be character. It may be numeric. It may contain also metrics, and it may contain what is called data frames. Okay. Of course, you cannot keep list in a list, in another list. Okay, that's what we have seen. And then we have seen that how we can save the data in a desired place. Okay, so this is what was the story, what we have done in the last lecture. And these commands, that save history and load history in case you want to port uh, your work from one system to another system. So today we are, as we know that now we have learned how to input the data, and now the time how we can play with that data. And now we will starting one by one. First, we are going to see how we can take or fetch the data from them. Okay, some particular kind of data from a data, and then after that we will be, I mean to say that manipulation. Okay, how can manipulate the data, and then after that we will be going towards the statistics part, where we will see how we can analyze the data. Okay, so analyzing part includes two things. One is a different kind of a statistical method what we use. Okay, mean, median, mode, and all, so many things. And also there is another part of it, how we can visualize it by means of some plots, like histogram and a bar chart is there, and then dot chart is there. Okay, like this. Even a leaf stem chart is also there. So we will see later on, one by one. Okay. One thing I was telling that how we can import the data. Okay. So in the last lecture, I was telling something. I think. Okay. Let me go here. If we have some data like this data. Okay. This data, I will share it to you. So if you want to import this data, there is a way you can directly click, and then you can open it. Okay, and you need to open it with the RStudio. So once you click here on RStudio, what you need to do, you need to go to your, you need to save it first in your working directory, and then select it, and then right click, and then go open, and open with RStudio. So once you click here, so everything, do you want to load this data? Okay, so you need to click here, yes. Okay, so once you click, you will be getting so many data. You see, hundreds of data has come. So now if you want to see something like uh, on that day, we will seeing that there is, let me clear it. Okay. Uh, so something we have seen that grass kind of thing. Okay, there is a variable grass. So once we type and then press enter, you see it has come. Okay, so similarly, what so many things in your in your book by Gardener, they are using various type of objects. Okay, like they've used, I think, what is yeah, grass they have used. Okay, and they have also used some more files. So all those all those files are available in it. Okay. Uh, you can see here. Let me go back. You see this grass. Okay. We have seen bird also. You can see here. Uh, you see this this has come. Okay. You want to know the structure, so you just go here and then bird etc. So this is what, whether this is a matrix or data frame, you come to know. Okay, so this is attribute and that character is there. Okay, okay, these they are characters. This is also character. Okay, they are numbers. Okay, like, and if you want to know something like if you use class and a class of BIRD, then you come to know this is a matrix and array. Okay, this is not a what we call that data frame. Fine. So this is how we can, and of course, if you want to see the name, then uh, I told you before that how you can see all the objects stored here. Okay, so using that you can using that command you can know what are the objects already saved. Okay, let us see furthermore. I will tell you. So the second chapter we finished. Okay, and I have prepared some assignment for you. So I will upload today. Today, or you will be you can access it by tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Go to this file. Okay. Where is data? Okay. This is. So working with objects, okay, so there are so many things you can learn from here. So how to manipulate data objects, how to select and display part of data object, and how to sort and rearrange the data object, how to construct data object, determine what form of it in data object is, and then how to convert a data object to another form of data object, okay. So one by one, we will see that when we say that manipulation, so because there are manipulation, there are various type of data objects like vectors is there, and then matrix, data frame, and list. So how come we can, sorry, uh, how we can manipulate that? Okay. So starting with vectors, so there are one thing is the selecting and displaying the part, and I think at some places I mentioned it how we can select, but let us see, and then sorting and rearranging and returning logical values. Okay, so these three things we are going to learn. Like this, they have used here data one, and then they put this kind of some variables are there, some values are there. Okay, so for this, uh, okay, for this vector, if I write like this, data one, and in a square bracket I'm using one, you know that earlier I told you that index in R start from one, not from zero, like we have in Python and what is called Java. But here we start with 1. Okay, so this will display the first item in a vector, and this will display the third item in the vector, and this will display 1 through 1 through 3, the first, second, and the first three items. Okay, and now the question is that can we write like this? Okay, if you are writing like this, -1, so because we don't know what is the length and all, if we don't know, okay. So and I want the last one to be displayed. So what I will do? Sorry, uh, uh, everything except the first one. Okay, except the first one. So here we can write data one and then a -1 in square bracket. This means that this will remove the first one and display everything. Okay, just like here, it will remove the 3 and then 5, 7, everything you will be getting. Okay, and if you are writing like this, data 1, and in square bracket you are writing some vector kind of thing, 1 3 4 8. Okay, so this shows the items listed in this vector, the vector you are keeping inside this. Okay, inside this. So actually this is a indexing. Okay, here we are writing a number, but this is index, and they are the values that are stored in data 1. Okay, so this is the first one, third one, fourth one, and eighth one. This is going to display. Okay, and this command will display. This is a logical. They are the logical operator. The last two, this one and this one. So data 1 is greater than 3. So it will display all those values which are greater than 3. Okay, items greater than 3. Okay, and here, if you are writing that data 1 and then 5, or, and I think there is something missing. Okay, it should be less than. Okay, items here should be the sign less than. Like, okay, let me tell you. Here, there should be sign like this. Okay, like this. Less than, and less than 5 and greater than, item less than 5 or greater than 7, or not and. Okay, this will display. So uh, okay, let me tell you, let me show you. Let us take some vector. I think we have already I think A or B we have. Let us see. If I type here A, so okay, B, C. Yeah, we have, I think we have C. We can use C because it contains so many data. But let us not C because it contains only sequence kind of thing. Okay. Uh, so let me create another vector here. Okay. Let me data and then data dot 11. Okay. In this, let us save something randomly, 4, 6, 8, and then 2, and then 3, then 9. Okay, then 4. And if you want to store something character also, you can write here. Suppose, for example, D. Okay, for example, AB. Okay, so doesn't matter if you are storing numeric or character or mixed type of data. So you need to just run this, and then let us see what is there in data 11. So this has come, everything has been converted into character. Okay, so now you want to know what is in data, data 11. In data 11 you want to know the thing stored at third place. Okay, so for this you can you see it, this 8 is stored here. No, it is stored here. Fine. And if you want to know that this data 11, third to sixth. Okay, third to sixth. So in that case, you can run it, and you will be getting 8239. Third from third. You see here here is the vector. This third is this 818. Okay, and then through 6, na? Third, 4, 5, 6 up to here. So these 4 entries will be shown here like this. Okay, so if you want to write like uh, if you want to write data 11 and then a -1. Okay, -1. So this will display uh, uh, everything except the first one. This will display everything except the first one. You see, the first one is 4, and then because I wrote here -1, so it will display like this. Okay, and if you want, for example, if you want, the natural question is that if you want to, if you are writing, suppose -2, what you are going to get? What you are going to -2? Okay, so what is there? You see, it means that for this is the complete vector, and 4 is there, and then 6 is there in the second place, but here 6 is not there. 8 to 3, 8 to 3 is they are here. It means that it is removing the second one and keeping everything. Okay. So now if you want to remove several things, several items from here, so how we can write? So can we write like this, -2 through -4 like this? Okay, just press enter. So what we are getting, -2 through -4. Okay, and if I write here -4 here 2. Okay, then what we are going to get? Okay, you see, it will remove from this one second through fourth. Okay, it will remove second through fourth. Doesn't matter if you are writing like this. Okay, fine. Yeah, if they are positive, then it will be it will be, suppose if you are writing like this, okay, if you are writing 4 through 2, okay, so what you are going to get? 2, 8, 6. Now, so let us see 2, 8, 6 there you are getting here. Okay, in some another order, that is you will be getting fourth one first and then up to this. Okay, second one. So you are getting what did he say, that second 2, 8 and 6 displayed here. Okay, but in these two cases you are getting the same thing. Okay, you are getting the same thing. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 are there. Okay, so here second to fourth it will remove. So second is 6, 8, 2 and 3. So you will be getting 4, 9, 4. Okay, what is there? 4, 3, 4 is there. 4 is there, and then 3 is there, 9 is there, 4 is there, and then 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, na? These 3 will be removed. Na? So 4, 3, 9, 4, 4, 3, 9, 4, D and AB, like this. Okay, so if you want to, you see that if you use here the data on data 11, and then we use the logical operator. Okay, like just they have written that the data 1 is greater than 3. Okay, so the question is whether it is going to work or what. Data 11 and this is a greater than, suppose I want something greater than suppose 3. So if I press enter, are we going to get anything? Okay, this is we are going to get returned. Okay, okay, let me change it a little bit. Suppose I'm writing here 10. Oh, sorry, 10 and then 10. Okay, so we are getting everything. Actually, this is not working. This will not work, as you know that this is why because this is not of numeric type in data 1. Okay, this shows all item greater than 3, and everything has been converted here to character. Everything has been converted to character. So if I write here like greater than 3, everything greater than 3, greater than 10, so none of them is greater than 10. Okay, here also if you're writing greater than 3, okay, or this if you're writing suppose greater than 4. Okay, also you see something is coming, but essentially, or let me write here greater than 2. Yeah, greater than 2. So if we are getting greater than 10, they are more thing has been displayed here, less thing has been displayed. So it is not working properly because this logical operator is going to work with the numeric. Okay, numeric kind of data. Fine. So for that we need to have some numeric data for exact information. And if I see here C, if you display, so C contains 1 through 10. And if I write that is C and then here C greater than suppose 3 I'm writing, so you will be seeing exact information. If you write here 10, okay, so integer 0, that is nothing is there, okay. And if you are writing here, suppose you are writing less here 7, okay, and greater than 4, so you will be getting unexpected, because it's not the way how we need to write, okay. So we need to write in another way, that is there are operators like and or operators, okay. So if I write here C either less than 3, I want to display, okay. And of course we can write less than or equals to. So here an or operator is there, just a vertical line, just in your laptop or desktop, you can see there is a vertical line just below the backspace, okay. So you can use that. And I want something to be displayed greater than 7 also, okay. So just press hit enter. So what is there? 1, 2, 3. They are the numbers. They are okay. They are items which are less than or equals to 3, and 8, 9, and 10. They are greater than 7. So like this, it will work. Fine. So this is all we have done. Okay. So there is a command length of data 1. It will give you length of that particular vector. Okay. So there is you can write length, length, okay. Length of if you want of C, so this will give you here, okay. So length of C, length of C, okay, length of C, length, okay. I did mistake, I think, is spelling. So you can see here length of C is 10. So this is a command to find out the length. Okay. And then you can use this length also to display, to extract the data. Okay. So if you want to, you know that this length is going to give you some number. Okay. So in data 1, you want to extract the length of data and then -5. Okay. If you are writing. So suppose the length of data is 10. Okay. All right. And then you are subtracting you are subtracting 5 from it, so you will be getting 5 here, and then you are writing length of data 1. It means what? uh, it will display the data from 5th to what? 5th to 10th, na? Like this. If you want to here they are writing data 1. Let us use data 11 or data 11, okay, and then write length, okay. Length of if you want length of data, length of data 11, okay, and we want to display this last 5, okay, last 5. So and we don't know what is the last 5. So we need to write like this. This will calculate that length of data, and then it will subtract 5 from it. And then here we need to write length of that particular data dot 11. Okay. So let us execute it. So we will be getting, you see, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 4. I think it's okay. 2, 8, 6, 4. think this should be something different. What is there here? 2684. We are getting 2684. Okay, I think yeah. What is the length of this data? Data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 5, we will be getting 4. Okay, 4, and 4 through 9 we are supposed to get, I think. Yeah, 4 through 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we must have 2, 3, 9, 4, and a DAB. These things we need to have, I think. Or okay, I think I missed here bracket. Yeah. Uh, yes, yes, yes. I missed the bracket. So now you can get you are getting everything. 2, 3, 9, 4 D AB. Okay. 2, 3, 9, 4 D and AB. So these things you are getting. All right. Then we have another command. What we call that max. Okay. So it will find out the maximum value. Max command. Max command is there. So if you want to use max, if you want to max of data 11, actually this is meant for uh, this is meant for what we call that numeric, but this is displaying something, some character kind of thing. Okay, but maximum should be some numeric value. So numeric value, for numeric value we have C or vector. So if you run, so 10 is there. Okay, in max you see when here somewhere we have displayed this is a C and the maximum value is 10. Okay, maximum value is 10 here. So max command, and then we have fetch equals to data1 and then double equals to. So there are two things. Single equals to is to store some value. Okay, like if we write here k equals to 5. Okay, and then if I run it, okay, so k equals to 5. If I press here, so you can see here k equals to 5. So this is for storage. Okay, and if I write like suppose s double equals to and 5, it means we are writing this is for storage, this is for storage, and this is for comparison. And this double equals to is similar to or same as what we use single equals to sign in our mathematics computation. Okay, this double equals to is similar to, has the same meaning as we have in our, just like we write 5 equals to 5 in mathematics. So it is true. Okay, this is something logical operator. Okay, so here in R we need to write 5 equals to 5. Okay, if I write like this, it means we are storing 5 in 5. Okay, this is assignment kind of thing. So there are different kind of thing. There are two meanings of there is one single equal to and then double equals to. Okay, both are there. So another command is there. Max we have learned which command. Okay, so which command, what it will return the value is value the place. Okay, the place of where the place where maximum value occurs. Okay, just like in here which and data1 double equals to max data. Okay, so it will find the maximum of this data, and this which command will tell you uh, at which place the maximum is coming. Like here in data1 they have 3 5 7 5 3 2 like this. Okay, so how many okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 is there. Okay, so at 11th place we have you know that the maximum is 9 here. It is you can see, but at which place ninth is maximum value occurs, maximum value occurs. So this will give you that place. So 11th, at 11th place we will be getting the maximum value. Okay, the maximum value, write like this, which, and then you can write here, you if you want to see here, in C, okay, and then double equals to, okay, and then max, okay, and then max C, okay. So 10th place is there, fine. And don't we get confused that 10 is also a 10th place, so it is displaying number. So for that you can, I think you can take another vector like this I1, I think. Okay, let us see if I1 is there. I1 only 6. Okay, I1. Let me see what is there in I1. Okay, there are only two things, only two. ID, okay, IR, what is there in IR? So there are some random thing, okay, some random thing is there. So let me play with it. So if I want the value as maximum value at which the maximum value is stored, okay, so let me write the object name here, and then here also IR, and then execute it. So the first place, you see 6 is the first place. The 6 maximum value is occurring at first place, so it is displaying here 1. Okay, so this is a role of which command. So here they are distinguishing what they mean by single equals to and double equals to. Okay, so single equals to usually means to that you want to set something or restore something in particular object, and double sign this will this will tell you that you are keeping something, some two things are equal like this. Okay, something equal to a particular value. Okay, a particular rather than setting it. तो एक हो गया सेव करना, उसमें सेव कर दिया, स्टोर कर दिया. ओके, एक हो गया कि दोनों को बराबर कर दिया, तो बराबर वाला डबल का सब मतलब है. And then this command I told you already that seq command is also used for sequence. So this is a syntax for this: start and end, then interval. And with this whatever of your desire, okay, numeric vector you can create, not a character vector. Okay, so here is starting number and then end number, then interval. What do you want? Okay, so this I think I told you something is there. Okay, and then S1, let me write S1. Before that, let me check whether, okay, S1 is not found, it means we can use it. Okay, so S1 is there. In S1 we can use SUQ, okay, and then parenthesis. So I want to start with the -1, okay, and then end point let me keep it 50, okay, and then I want this the sequence I'm going to generate. They should be separated by 0.0. If you want 2.5, okay, all right, you can keep it like this 2.25. Okay, so here you see equals to sign is there. We are storing the sequence in S1, or else you can write like this also. Okay, so let us use equals to sign. So just press Control and Enter together. So here now we got S1. So many things you see. So many values has come here. Lengthy vector. Okay. Here they have created with the help of length of data. Okay, length of data 1. So they are in data 1 they are extracting something. What they are is extracting 1 through length of 11, and then they should be separated by 2. Okay. Here also, in case of so here we have seen here which command. This is for a numeric vector. Okay, the similar command. Let us see what they produce in case of if you are having character vector. Okay, so here command will work on character vector as well as numeric. For example, let us see. If we have data 5 in which we have January up to Jan to December, okay, so 12 entries are there. And if I want to extract, so -1 to -6, this is what I told you in while dealing with numeric vector. Okay, so it will remove first through 6. Okay, so we want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to June, it will remove, and then from June to December, July to December, you will be getting here. Okay, and then here the last 6 months in your vector of the month are picked out. Okay, in the following, this value is you can select the value. Okay, here which command and then data 5 in data 5. What is their data 5? Data 5 is a vector, okay, of months, English month. So which and the data 5 and then double equals, it means that they are equaling something. Okay, in which in data 5. Okay, so maximum of data 5, it is reducing. Sorry, it is returning 9. Okay, it is returning 9. So max of data 5 here, uh, biggest value is selected. Okay, so biggest value, what is there? Max of data 5. The following example, the biggest value is selected. Uh, Here in this example, R has selected 9th item, which is CSCP. The item are sorted alphabetically. Okay. So in that sense, they are telling that this is the biggest. Okay. So when you are using this which command with the vector of characters, so they will sort. Okay. And they will sort and then find out which is the biggest in the sense that after keeping them in alphabetic order, like uh, which will come the first, maybe A. Okay, A will come the first, and then after that the first you see uh, F, I think. Yeah, here AU is there first, this will come AP. Okay, if A is there and A is there, both places are A there, then there is a tie, then they will see the second character here. So P is there and U is there. So first APR will come, and then second this will come. And then third one is this D will come. There is no tie in another place like D. Okay. So this will first, second, and then this will be third. Okay. And then after D, we have F, I think this will be fourth. Okay. Uh, and then after fourth, this will be fifth. Okay. And then this will be sixth. Okay. Like this, it will sort out. Fine. Okay. And then we have another way of manipulating the data, that is sorting and rearranging of the vector. So if we have some vector like here unmo is there. So unmo, because beginning data we have a record already. So we can call it unmo here, unmo. Okay, unmo, and then run it. You will be getting something. Okay, you see 8979 NA. The same thing you are getting here, 8979 NA. Okay, NA is that is not available. Okay, and then if you are sorting it, so you will be getting 7899. 7899. So for a sort command, usually sort from uh, decreasing to increasing order. Okay, and if I use this command, NA will disappear. Okay, and if I want to, okay, I want this NA also, then for that we need to use some some more what we call that some more options we need to give. Okay, like here decreasing, and then we need to write true. If this will sort increasing, and then we will, if I want it increasing, then sorry, this will be increasing, and this will, if I want to sort it as decreasing, so we need to write here decreasing equals to true, or we can simply type here capital G. Okay. Okay, that the thing I was talking about, that if I want to keep NA also, then we need to use this NA dot last. Okay, NA dot last. So there are three options, like NA dot last equals to NA. If we set equals to NA, then it will not display anything. Okay, and it will not display NA here. And in rest two cases, it will display like NA dot last equals to true. So it will come in the end. And if I write NA dot uh, last equals to false, so it will display, it will be displayed in the beginning. Okay, like this. Fine. And because we have written here sort, and we are not using here decreasing or increasing, okay, so it will sort in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order. And if I want these commands along with the decreasing order, so we need to write decreasing equals to true here. Okay, you can just put comma, and then you can write. Okay, true. Okay. So here NA is coming in both the cases, but there is another command which is uh, distinct, distinct from distinct from the output of sort. Okay, sort usually does increasing and decreasing order. Okay, and we have once we have order. If you use order command, then it will display the index. Okay, just like here in sort, when we sorted it, this vector, where it is, this vector. Okay, so we got this ascending vector 7 8 9 9. Okay, so 7 is coming, the is small, the smallest item is 7th, and this is at third place. So first, second, and third. So third, and then this is the first 3 1, and then there are two places 9. Okay. So what we see here, if I write here order, okay. So in order, the third one is the smallest. Okay, third one is the smallest, and then the first one is there, and then second and fourth, two and fourth is there. So two and fourth. Okay, so actually there is a tie between these two 9. So it picks the earlier one. It gives the earlier one is the lowest index. Okay, so we are left with 2, 4, and 5. So 2 and then 4, it will give you index. This one, it will assign index 2, and then this will, it will be assigned as index 4. And NA will be at last. Okay, so it will be given here, 5th. Okay, so like here, if I write like this, then the index of NA will not be displayed like we have done here. Okay, and if you want to display the index for this NA also, so if you want to, if you write here like true, so it will be in the last. If you write here false, then it will be in the beginning. So here you see, if you write here false, okay, if you write here false, like here, so it will be in the beginning. So in the beginning, you can get here. Okay, so if you write here true, then you will be getting this 5 here. Okay, but uh, what is there is something shortcoming of this command order, because there are two items. Okay, 9 and 9, they having same value, but they have been given different index. Okay, so next command, there is a command called rank. Okay, this will distribute equal index to both. Okay, by finding out the average. Okay, by finding out the average between the tied items. Okay, so here we have vector, and then if you write order, then we are getting like this, as we have seen. And then if you are writing here rank of unmo, so you will be getting 2.0 and then 3.5, 1.0, 3.5, and 5.0. Okay, so what is there actually? So there is okay. So here we have seen, you see, uh, okay, I think, yeah, order. So, okay, order, I think, yeah, order we have learned already. So rank, it is the rank. Okay. So in rank, there are, because there are two 9 values, there are third and fourth largest. Okay. Third and fourth largest by default, they get shared the rank 3.5. Okay. Like this. So they are third, you see here, uh, they have been sorted, and after that we are writing the index. Okay, here in order, the index, we are writing index 3, 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 4, like this index we are writing. Okay, so here also we will be getting index, but a little in different way. Different way is that you see here 3.5 and 3.5 is there. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, all right. And this also okay, all right, fine. And then we have second and this one, these two, okay, 2 and 4. So like this here, 9 in 9 is there. So they will be getting, um, because they are coming at what we say that third and fourth largest, okay, third and fourth largest. So first largest is this one. First largest is first, this 7, and then second is this, and then third, and then fourth. Okay, so 3, 4, kitna ho gaya? 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, and their average is 3.5. So that's why they are giving 3 and fourth. Okay, so actually they are writing this. Uh, you see this index. Okay, this is the first one, and this is second one. Okay, this is second largest, so they are writing 2.0. This is the first largest, so they are writing here, okay, this one. Okay, then ninth place, 9. So ninth, and this is a second, this is a 3 and a fourth. Okay, so 3.5, 3.5 they will be distributed, and this 7 is will be distributed 1, because this is the smallest one, and then NA will be given 5.0. Okay, so with this, let us conclude the discussion for today.
Thank you for watching this video. To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cosmos Learning. Happy learning through Cosmos Learning. To watch more, click on any of these cards. Thank you once again.